Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to set and change the background image in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So as you can see, my background looks pretty plain right now, so we can go and customize it. Make sure you've got an image on your computer that you want to go and use. I've already gone and got one, and then what you want to do is come to the new tab page in Chrome. So when you go and open up Chrome, you should be here, or you can click on New Tab at the top to go and do it. Then come down to the bottom right and you can click on Customize Chrome, and you need to come over to the right and click on Change Theme. Then what you can do is click on Upload an Image. Your File Explorer will open and you can go and locate the image you want to use, select it and click on Open, and like that it's now being used. You can also go and change the theme of the colors as well, while keeping the background if you don't like the colors that it used. And that's it, we can close it, and we've now changed it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.